How to add someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add someone on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app with your account. After you open WhatsApp, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on plus icon. From here, simply tap on new contact. And from the section new contact, you'll be able to add someone or new contact on your WhatsApp. As usual, you can add via QR code. Simply tap on add via QR code. And from there, you can, as usual, scan a QR code of the contact whom you want to add. Simply, you can use their phone number, provide the phone number, and provide the first name or last name whom you want to save on that. After a while, if that number is available on WhatsApp, you can simply tap on the option done at the top right. If that person is not available on WhatsApp, simply you can tap invite to WhatsApp, and that's it. After done this, tap on done at the top right. After that, you'll be able to add that person on your WhatsApp and start making conversation. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.